The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my courses on fashion designing, available online on Fashion Premier Academy. If you're interested in finding out more about it and enrolling, there's a link in the description below. Okay? Enjoy. Do you remember in the first class we talked about grain lines and using stripes? So here is a yoke on the fold, one piece, no shoulder seam, and following the stripes in the front, it turns out to look like that, which is kind of cool. Some fabric will allow you to cut the pattern piece on the length grain or the cross grain, meaning that in this case, the yoke is cut length grain and the rest of the body is cut cross grain. Not all fabric will allow you to do that. These are all factors that make up the elements of design. Elements of design, what's that? Well, what makes a great design? There are certain elements which are essential and are used in creating a great design. For example, the first is what's known as silhouette. Silhouette is the shape of the garment. If you're looking at the garment on a hanger, what is the shape of that design? Okay. The next is color. When you walk into a store, the first thing that attracts you is really the color. Is it very bright? Is it light, dark, pastel? Color is very important. So that's another element of design. The next would be texture. The texture of the fabric. Is it smooth? Is it silky? Is it rough? Does it have a nap like corduroy, for example? Another would be the weight of the fabric. Is it a lightweight chiffon or is it a heavy weight, more of a velvet weight, a wool fabric, for example? That would be another element of design. And another would be balance. Balance or proportion. Proportion would be the relationship between one area of your design and the rest of the body, or one to another area. For example, is this a good proportion? Is this yoke, the relationship between this yoke and the rest of the dress? So those are elements of design. That's what a good designer uses, consciously or unconsciously, to create great designs. Okay, are we having fun yet? See you next class. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the courses available at Fashion Premier Academy by clicking the link below. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you will be notified when I post new videos, which is every week. I'll see you in class.